Good morning students. Today I am continuing with the part second of chapter number 6 related with the triangle and its properties. In my previous video I told about the median, altitude or one or two properties that is related with the exterior angle property and the angle sum property of a triangle. So today I am continuing with some more properties that is related with triangle inequality property and Pythagoras property, and then we will solve some question related with these properties. So first I am continuing with the property triangle inequality property. So what is the meaning of this property? We will continue with one triangle. This is triangle PQR. So if we see here, if the sum of PQ plus QR is greater than RP, this is the first case, or the sum of QR plus RP is greater than PQ, or the third one is PQ QR than RP, RP plus PQ is greater than QR. If these three conditions are fulfilled in a given triangle with the help of this property, then we can say triangle is possible, otherwise triangle is not possible. Or what is the statement of this property on behalf of these cases? First, second, third, we can say sum of any two sides of a triangle, sum of any, or you can say sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. We can say sum of the length of any two sides is always greater than the length of the third side. If this statement is fulfilled, or this type of situation or cases are fulfilled, then we will kind of say yes, triangle PQR is possible, otherwise triangle PQR is not possible. So for example, I am taking here some measurement. This is your 4 centimeter, this is your 3.5 centimeter, and this is your 5 centimeter. So triangle PQR is possible here or not, we will check with the help of this property. So how can we represent the answer? By triangle inequality property. First we will take first case, PQ plus QR is greater than RP. After this, what we will do? We will put the value of PQ and QR. PQ is equivalent to 4 centimeter. QR is equivalent to 3.5 centimeter. And RP is equivalent to 5 centimeter. So we can say their sum is 7.5 centimeter and it is greater than 5 centimeter. It means this is possible or it is true. Okay. Now we will come to one second case. Second case is QR plus RP. So we will write here QR plus RP is greater than PQ. So what we will do? We will put the value of QR. QR is 3.5 centimeter. RP is 5 centimeter, and their sum is greater than 4 centimeter. And when we will add these two, it becomes 8.5 centimeter greater than 4 centimeter. And we know very well 8.5 centimeter is always greater than 4 centimeter. So it is also true. Now we will continue with one more case, that is RP plus PQ greater than QR. So we write here RP plus PQ is greater than QR. So what we will do, again we will put the value of RP, PQ and QR. The value of RP is 5 centimeter. PQ is 4 centimeter. And the value of QR is 3.5 centimeter. So when we will solve it, it becomes 9 centimeter. So it is also true. So all the cases are possible here. All these cases are fulfilled the condition of triangle inequality property, So with the help of triangle inequality property, we can say triangle PQR is possible here with the help of this property. So if these three cases are fulfilled, we can say triangle is possible, otherwise triangle is not possible. Or we can say if the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side, we will go with this property, and the name of this property is triangle inequality property. Okay. Now I am taking one question related with this property, so that the concept of triangle inequality property is more clear to all of you. So this time I am taking one question from the exercise 6.4, and it is question number 3rd. So exercise 6.4, question number 3rd, and as per this exercise, one diagram is given to us. This is diagram. This is triangle ABC. Okay, and it is given here. So what is the question? Question is, AM is a median of triangle ABC. AM is a median of triangle ABC is AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. So this is the question related with exercise 6.4, question number 3rd. So as you see in this diagram, and it is also written here that AM is a median, it means M is a midpoint. We can say M is a midpoint of side BC. So M is a midpoint, it means BM and MC both are equal as per the concept of median, right? So how can we will show this? Is it possible or not? So first we will go with triangle. So we can say by triangle inequality property. So as you see here, two triangles are given. One is ABM, another one is AMC. So we will apply this property, this triangle inequality property, in this triangle ABM first. So in triangle ABM, we can say length of or sum of the length of any two sides. So I will take here AB plus BM. It is greater than AM. This is the first relation with the help of this property. Again I will continue with the same property, but this time I will take the triangle ACM. Right. So here I will go with this property. So I can say, or we can say, AC plus CM is greater than AM. As I said, in this triangle, sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. So if I am taking AC and CM, it means the sum of AC side or NC side is always greater than AM. This is our second relation. After this, what we will do? We will add first and second. So LHS part, this is our, you can say LHS part. So LHS part, add in LHS part, and RHS part, add in RHS part. So after this, what we will do? We will add it AB plus BM plus AC plus CM is greater than AM plus AM. Okay. So as per the given question, it is written here AB plus BC. It is BC. It is BC. Okay. So how can we will show this? AB is here. AB is also here. After this, AC is here. AC is also here. Now we have to try for the BC. Okay, so what we will do? We will rearrange it. So when we will rearrange it, what we will get? AB, DM and CM we will write together. It becomes AC. EM plus AM it becomes 2AM. Right? So AB plus. So as I said already, BM and MC both are equal, and M is the midpoint of BC. It means BM plus MC. We can say BM plus MC or BM plus CM. This is equals to BC. Because that is the midpoint. What we will do here? We will write here BC plus AC or CA, both the same thing, is greater than 2AM. It means we will get the relation with the help of triangle inequality properties. So we can say yes, AB plus BC plus AC is greater than 2AM. So this is the presentation part of question number 3 related with exercise 6.4, and it is related with triangle inequality property. Now we will continue with the next property, that is related with right angle triangle, and the name of the property is Pythagoras property, which is most important property, and this is the last property of this chapter number 6. So in this chapter 3 to 4 properties are there. In my first video I told about exterior angle property, angle sum property of a triangle, and in this video, as I said, about triangle inequality property. Now I am continuing with the Pythagoras property. Pythagoras property. So basically this property is applicable only for the right angle triangles. So I am taking here one right angle triangle. This is triangle A, B and C, and this is your 90 degree, right? So the side which is opposite to 90 degree, that is AC, is known as hypotenuse, and it is related with capital H, right? And other two sides, AB and BC, this AB side is related with perpendicular, and it is represented by capital P. And the remaining side, which is also known as leg, we can say AB and BC both are side or legs of this triangle ABC. So BC side is base, and it is related with capital B. So how can we will represent this Pythagoras property? We can say in triangle or in right angle triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degree, and we can say whole square of AC, this is equals to whole square of AB plus whole square of BC. So AC is represented by hypotenuse, AB is represented by perpendicular, and BC is represented by base. So if this type of property is fulfilled, we can say that is the concept related with Pythagoras property. Hypotenuse means opposite sides of 90 degree. This is 90 degree and AC is the opposite side. And other two sides are known as legs of this triangle A, B and C, where AB side is related with perpendicular, symbol is capital P, BC is related with base, symbol is capital B. Or if this type of condition is fulfilled, then we can say that type of triangle is related with right angle triangle, and this type of concept is known as Pythagoras property. It is very important property, and it is applicable only when the triangle is only and only right angle triangle, otherwise it is not possible. Okay, I am doing some question related with this property. How can we will apply this property when some measurements, some sides, some length are given to us for a right angle triangle? So I am taking here one or two questions from your book of NCERT. So I am continuing with the exercise 6.5, question number 1. So the question is, PQR is a triangle, right angle at P if PQ equals to 10 cm and PR equals to 24 cm, find QR. First I will write down the question. PQR is a triangle, right angle at P. Okay, this is given in the question. If PQ equals to 10 centimeter and PR equals to 24 centimeter, then we have to find QR. So this question is given to us. So how can we solve this question? So as you see here, it is written here right angle at point P. So whenever this type of statement is given, so it means we will go with the only one and one property, that is Pythagoras property. So how can we will start it? In this question, right angle at P, so first we will make a diagram of right angle triangle. Right. So this is 90 degree at point P, and here we will take Q and R. So PQR is a triangle in which angle P is equals to 90 degree, and the other measurements are PQ is 10 centimeter, PR is 24 centimeter. So how can we calculate QR? This is the question. So it is given that, how can we start? It is given that in triangle PQR, angle P is 90 degree or right angle. So we will apply by Pythagoras property. We can say hypotenuse whole square equals to perpendicular whole square plus base whole square, right? So as per the diagram, hypotenuse means the side which is opposite to 90 degree. So it means hypotenuse is here QR. So whole square of QR, perpendicular means QP, and base means PR, right? So we put the value of QR, this we have to calculate, right? QP is 10 centimeter, so it is whole square of 10. PR, this is 24, so this is whole square of 24. After this, whole square of QR as it is, 10 square means 10 into 10, it becomes 100. 24 square means 24 multiplied by 24, it becomes 576. So we can say whole square of QR is 100 plus 576, it becomes 676. Now the question arises, with the help of this equation, how can we calculate the value of QR? This is very, very important. So what we will do, we will continue with the prime factorization method. How can we solve it? 676. So first we will divide by 2. So what we will get? 3, 8. Again we will divide by 2. 1, 6, 9. Then we will continue with 13. 13 will come. We will write here 13 into 1. It means the factor of 676 is 2 into 13 into 13. It means 2 is repeating 2 times and 13 is also repeating 2 times. So it can be written as, you can say it can be written as 2 into 13 whole square. Right? 2 is repeating 2 times, 13 is repeating 2 times. So we write 2 into 13 and the whole power is 2. So after this, what we will do? After this we can say whole square QR, this is equals to whole square of 26. It means whenever power are same, if you see here power is 2, here is also power is 2, it means bases are also equal. So we can see the value of QR is 26 centimeter. So this is the way of solving the question when it is related with the Pythagoras property, or you can say when right angle triangle is given to us, we will solve the question with the help of this property. Okay, so if right angle is given, then we will go with this property, otherwise this property is not applicable. So I hope with the help of two properties, one is triangle inequality property and the second one is Pythagoras property, you will solve the other question which are related with exercise 6.4 and 6.5. Thank you very much.